Positive affirmations are intended to help people feel the moment as if the desire has been manifested. Using self-assured declarations to change your thought patterns requires regular practice. Try choosing 1 or 2 strong affirmations and, with an appreciative feeling, revealing them with the thought that you are in the presence of the manifestation, especially when you wake up and throughout the day, and again before bedtime. Spend a minimum of 3 minutes a day for 2 to 3 days experiencing the same feeling. Then, let go of the thoughts, and the divine quantum life energy will take care of the rest. However, your feelings are an amazingly valuable resource. You were born with them completely wired into your brain and heart for a significant purpose. Your feelings give you consistent evaluations about what's good and bad for you and everything in between. Your emotions are the most profound and most common personal expression of who you are. When you know how to use them, they are your most useful means in this life to help you persevere and flourish. As you listen to the following guidelines that I'm exposing for you to pay more attention to your feelings, please think about yourself and whether you can use some advice in any of these perceptions of your innate feelings. If so, you can take heart. Right now, the best thing that has happened to you in a long time. You have come across the best guides to follow your heart to find the processes that will lead you to find joy, love, peace, and happiness in the successes you will obtain when you correctly perform them. Remember, the remedy is right inside you. All you need to do is pay close attention to the purpose of your heart. First guidance. You need to feel about yourself as the most profound expression of you. Your feelings are your most trusted truth. When you utilize your conscious mind to perceive what you feel, you connect your brain to your heart's mind, and you'll acquire what you want to learn and what you require, believe, and need. This provides you a heartfelt feeling of truly knowing yourself. Second guidance. You'll be more present in your heart and the now when you focus on your heart and question yourself, what am I feeling? It influences you. It unites you to your true self and settles you inside the now or the present moment, which undoubtedly makes you more engaged. Now, if you want everything to manifest itself as quickly as possible in case of a critical situation, add the powerful resonance of the sound of the mantra of Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. You pronounce it as it's spelled, but in 6 even beats, with even emphasis on each syllable. Nam-myoho Renge Kyo. You can start feeling in your heart the following expressions as an example. At the present moment, I feel my body overflowing with vitality, optimism, and joy. Now, my feeling is filled with thankfulness for new experiences. Now I feel freedom, a more happy and prosperous person. At this moment, I am feeling compassion and gratitude to God for being alive and in good health. At this time, I feel appreciative of being in good with my spouse and family. I feel my sacred heart pumping the healing blood throughout my body. Now I feel present. I feel positive. Thank you, my dearest heart, to make me feel this way. Now I feel courageous and gratefully observing myself rising towards success in my new job. Now I feel so thankful for the happiness and the company of this great human being that the universe has brought to my life, my dear spouse. Feeling the moment, the now, you need to get involved in the self-care practice of our online community of St. Nichiren. If you want to know more about becoming confident and courageous in life, subscribe to our channel where you will find the correct guides. Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, Nam-myoho Renge-kyo. Thank you. Aristoteles.